we're out here in Staples, Minnesota. It's like about 5 below right now. Got the drone up, don't know what that'll look like. And this train is rolling through, headed east. And he came, obviously, is where we first picked him up. But the second train is going to be coming up behind us. They're going to meet somewhere real close here. We heard it coming. And yeah, so that we might get a meet here, and hopefully my drone battery hangs out in this cold long enough. Here comes the meet. It's here. We lucked out on this one. Big eight. And this train coming at us here that just did the meet is going to be the one waiting for a crew change. They're going to stop in Staples here, so that'll be interesting. He's probably going to be slowing down quite a bit, not too long a time. First train was 488 axles. Had a lead locomotive, I'll have to look up what type it is, and then it had an EPU at the end. My hand is very cold. That's -5 Fahrenheit here. And the drone's still up there.
Here she comes, rolling down the track with a clickety-clickety-clack. Standing by the track, feeling the earth shake. It's a big iron earthquake, rolling down the track with a clickety-clickety-clack. Hauling lumber, steel and coal, 1 mile of freight on the roll. Run on up to Notch 8, that load of freight can't wait. Hear that whistle blow from high loud to deep and low. Do it again, but real slow. Train man, I envy you. Wish I could do what you do too. Rolling down the track through the night with a clickety-clickety-clack. Here she comes and there she goes, rolling down the track with a clickety-clickety-clack. I hear you coming, running hard and running fast. Count them, 120, and none of them empty. Do you hear the rail singing and hear the bell?